So, if you have some data on a piece of paper you want to digitize, take a photo or scan of it and save the file somewhere. On the Data tab, go to From Picture and then Picture from File. Locate the file, double click on it and wait for it to be read. It looks like it's got the majority of the values right, but it's very sensitive, so will sometimes flag cells even if they're perfectly fine. For example, this one looks correct, but it's deemed to be a low confidence cell when we hover over it. Likewise with a number of others in that column, but there doesn't appear to be any issues. When we look to the right though, it's clearly made a couple of clangers. A space has been left out in this cell, but if we click on it, we can modify the entry to add the space. Click accept, and there's another one to fix. Here it's interpreted the zeros as double brackets, so we'll change those. We're ready now, so click insert data and then insert anyway. There we have it, the data is dumped into the worksheet, ready to go.